Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see a delicious South Indian style sambar sadam. For this, first let us get ready with the masala. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of split chickpeas, that is chana dal, 1 teaspoon of split black gram, that is urud dal, and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi. Saute everything well until it changes slightly brown. To this add 2 Kashmiri dry chilies and normal dry chilies around 2 to 3 and few curry leaves. Roast everything well for about a minute. Finally, we are going to add a small piece of chopped coconut. Now again saute everything well for about a minute or two. This is ready. Now let us transfer this into a mixie jar. Grind this, you will get a coarse powder. So this is the sambar masala we are going to use for this recipe. Next, let us move on to the rice and dal. Take half a cup of split pigeon peas, that is tur dal, and 1 cup of parboiled rice. Clean this with water. We are going to pressure cook this. For 1.5 cups of rice and dal, I am going to add 4.5 cups of water. To this add the required amount of salt and pressure cook this for 5 to 6 whistles. You can see that the rice and the dal is cooked well. Let us make this even more soft. Mash this with the spatula. Don't overdo it, just mash it for a few seconds, that is fine. Set this aside, take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of split black gram, that is urud dal. Once the mustard starts popping, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this let us add 15 to 20 shallots and 5 to 10 garlic cloves. Add few curry leaves into this. Curry leaves and asafoetida will give a very nice flavor for the sambar sadam. Next is asafoetida, add a quarter teaspoon of it. The onions has to turn translucent. Until then you have to saute this. Next are the vegetables, and it is not a compulsion that you have to use the same vegetables that are used here. Here I have used a carrot, few beans, 1 small potato and 1 small drumstick. Try not to avoid the drumstick because it will give a very nice flavor and taste to the sambar sadam. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now it's time to add the prepared masala. To this add the required amount of salt. We have already added salt to the rice, so add for the vegetables alone. You have to cook the vegetables, so add around 2 cups of water. Close this and cook for 7 to 10 minutes. So here our vegetables are ready. Next we are going to add the tamarind water. I have already soaked a lemon-sized tamarind in water for about 15 minutes. Dissolve it in the soaked water and filter it and add it into the vegetables. Our sambar sadam has to be little low, so let us add little more water. Bring this to a boil and then add the cooked rice and dal. Mash it with the spatula. cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes in medium flame. This sambar sadam is not at all complete without ghee. So you can add ghee how much ever you like to add. Add few chopped coriander leaves to give a finishing touch. So here our sambar sadam is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.